Epic Games, Galaxy Boy, Twitter. Fortnite Chapter 2 has only just come to an end, but that isn't preventing sleuths from finding out what Chapter 3 will hold. As Kotaku learned, the game's official Polish YouTube channel briefly shared a Chapter 3 trailer revealing many of the planned changes to the Battery Royale brawler. You can expect a new island and new characters, including Gears of War's Marcus and Kate as well as Spider-Man. There even appears to be web swinging like you've seen in Insomniac's Spider-Man games, not to mention locales like the Daily Bugle. Chapter 3 will add some new mechanics on top of fresh weapons and items. You can slide scene in the Chapter 2 finale, and set up camps to both heal your squad and stash items you can carry over to future matches. And there's even a degree of star power. The Foundation, a character voiced by Dwayne Johnson, will carry over from the Chapter 2 shutdown. It's not clear when Chapter 3 debuts. However, Epic wasn't afraid to repeat history and kick players out of Fortnite as the previous chapter came to an end. Chapter 2 closed in dramatic fashion, with the Foundation helping to defeat a Cube Queen invasion and flipping the entire island upside down. If you stuck with the event, you were left treading water and with no option but to quit the game. Clearly, Epic is betting this dramatic ploy will work a second. New Fortnite Chapter 3 trailer leaked. Only watch if you want to. #Fortnite Chapter 3 pic.twitter.com/nosboya4i. Galaxy Boy Snowflake at Real Galaxy Boy, December 4, 2021. All products recommended by Engadget are selected by our editorial team independent of our parent company. Some of our stories include affiliate links. If you buy something through one of these links, we may earn an affiliate commission.